Alright guys, trying a new angle here where I get more of the box in the unboxing videos and my shots. You guys let me know. I kind of liked it more up in the corner where I lifted and showed you, but I've had a few suggestions of saying keep the box like right here so people can see. So I don't know, I may go into where I just show the products and I don't really like talk or anything, or I might go over them, but anyways, I wanted to say what I got here is I got a shit ton of stuff that I'm gonna be unboxing, things I've had for actually sitting around for a couple of years, honestly, that I haven't gotten to, that finally, hopefully this year I'm gonna start getting to. But first of all, I had to order a new, some more car care. And the best thing I would say for me that I've tried at all the years is great stuff, from stuff you can buy over the shelf like McGuire's all the way to like Mother's to Chemical Boys, or Chemical Guys, sorry. But I have found Sudzbox.com. I believe it's just all Sudzbox with a Z. And I'll put the link down below. And I've loved this stuff. I have been ordering it for the past few years since I had the lowered Honda Odyssey. So I want to say probably like the past 5 years, honestly. I think like 4 or 5 years. It's been a while I've been ordering this stuff. And the deals are great, man. When you guys need something, like, I highly suggest you hit them up. Like, it's expensive when there's no sales, but when there's sales, there's sales. Like, the man knows how to pitch a sale. I got this entire box that normally is like $300 in product for like $90. So, and when I say the money, like, I would actually pay the money for this stuff. It is, I haven't even got to detail the Mustang with it, and I can't wait. Like, when I did, if you go back and look at my detail on my CRVs, my lowered 99 and my lifted 2000, excuse me, you can see the difference in that video, and I had a lower quality camera on my phone. Now, hopefully with the GoPro and this new phone, you guys will be able to see the quality of this when I get time to do it. Can't do much though with my chest right now, but hopefully get there soon. You guys can see the quality of this product. I mean, I've been using, so I used to be a detailer for Toyota. I used to detail vehicles, and not just like the dry-off guy. Like, I used to fully detail the vehicles for the showroom, for everything. And of course, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot has changed since then, when I was a teenager doing that, to now. So there's a lot of stuff that I don't even know that's out there that's even better. But for what I do know and what I've been paying attention to, for buying shipped to your home kind of stuff to save you money from going to the store and getting all the stuff, you know, separate and racking up that bill, this is the best bang for your buck, I think, and the best product. And not only do I love the way it looks, I mean, let's say, first and foremost, I love the way it performs, and how the cars look afterwards. But I love the way the bottles, the packaging, all of it looks, the way it smells phenomenal. It's just all around pleasant situation. And I had one issue one time where I didn't get the stuff I paid for all on time and all the stuff at once. And the guy answered me back within a timely manner, took care of me, sent me some other stuff, said, hey man, I'm sorry, that's our mistake, we got you, and owned up to the mistake and took care of me. And so I can't say enough for their customer service. So anyways, with this package, I got a lot of microfiber towels. They're all packaged in time. I'm not going to go them like crazy. We got your regular microfiber, you got your windshield ones, you got your waffle cone type style ones, or your waffle style, sorry, not waffle cone. So you got different style. He comes with, you know, different spray heads. It comes with the tube for the spray heads. Basically, you know, just simple, connect them right in here, and then go, sorry, you got it upside down, duh. And then go about it. So these are new ones. He's actually improved some of his product. These nozzles look better, the tube looks better, and that's saying something, because his stuff before wasn't bad at all. Let's see what we got. So we got, oh shit, oh, one fell out. Give me one moment here. Push this sucker in. There we go. So it looks like we got three squirt handles right here up top. And a bunch of microfiber towels. So like I said, you get a bunch, guys, for the kit. This was, I want to say this was the ultimate kit or something like that. He's been changing a lot, so forgive me if I'm wrong. I'll try to market that down in there, or you know, put it down in the comments or bio section. And I can't remember the exact name, but he's changed a lot of things. He's got a lot of stuff going on and constantly upgrading. It's pretty neat. It's like every time I go in there, I almost get overwhelmed because I'm like, man, there's so much new shit. What do I try? But then I'm kind of bad. I kind of stick to my guns and stick to the stuff I know already. So maybe I should message him and be like, hey man, let me try it for a certain amount. Let me try some small bottles of this stuff, because he's got a lot of new stuff on there. It's pretty cool. He's got a glass cleaner I want to try that I don't think came in here. Because everything I've had from him is phenomenal. It's been, let's say, guys, I haven't went back to anything else. I haven't. So it comes with a clay bar. Clay bars have been good. You know, your standard clay bars, nothing super special about them. You got like your royal cloths or whatever. I can't remember exactly what they call them now. But these things are super soft, super great for taking off certain waxes, or even if you got to drying. I try not to like use these for like drying a car or anything like that. But we've all been there where sometimes you need to use what you got. Microfiber mitt, another one. This would be great. I don't really need it, but thing is, my kids love to wash the car with me and hang out, so perfect. So then you got these like detail sponges. I love these. I have a ton of these from him. And these are so nice. And basically they're just microfiber little sponges. You put the wax on, you can put whatever on, and they work with everything. And I've washed my old sets. Like, I think I still have my original ones, and they clean up well. They clean up really well. Had no issues with them. I don't think I've even had to retire one, like I said. And then get a little brush. And some of the other ones, because this was a big sale, some of the other ones, like you get a bigger colossal brush, is I think what he calls it, but this like detail brush. I have bigger ones for, in fact, here's one sitting right here I use for like the engine bay and stuff. So he's got all kinds of stuff, so you got to check it out. But let's see what we got here. So he provides the caps. So, and the cool thing about this, guys, is he caps and seals everything, and it provides you with the other caps so nothing breaks or pops open or anything like that. He's like, I don't know, the guy just is very, to me, their business is very thought through about what could happen, what you need, and thought about the customer too, not just themselves. So right here, this is the shit. Crimson wheel cleaner. This stuff is good. Like this is, you dilute it a little bit and spray it on. I've never had something clean my wheels so easy. Never. I'm not kidding. And be safe for all of my wheels. I've never had anything I bought over the shelf, ordered. I stand by this stuff. Like, if I had like a CRV_Tom approval, like, I would give this shit my stamp of approval. Like, nothing's been beat it yet. So this is the aluminum hybrid, or this aluminum seal wax hybrid. This stuff's really good. It's basically just like a sealant, but this stuff lasts. Like I was saying about my two cars, I think I got sidetracked, my two CRVs. It's been over 6 months, I think 8 months, and they still look now don't get me wrong, they went through winter in South Dakota, everything, and they still look okay when they go through the wash. And I haven't even been able to wash them by hand in months because of my condition. So this stuff works, guys, I'm telling you. We got the Revive finish polish. You're gonna want this. This right here is one of his best products. Like, he knows it too. This is one of the things usually sold out or is a higher price, right next to delete, swirl, and defect removal. This shit works too. Now, guys, you gotta be careful with this. It's so good. On a buffer, though, you need to be careful because you can cut through your paint. This stuff is no joke. Listen to it. Read the instructions on the back. Follow it. Take your time with it. But you want to clean up your paint. That's what I'm going to be using on the Mustang. I'm going to go over all the little defects on the Mustang, and I'm telling you, when I hit it with this and Revive, you guys are going to think that's almost a new paint job. I'm not kidding, and I really mean that. It's going to be a big difference. Scarlet, the car wash shampoo, I haven't tried this one yet. I got the Forest one, and I've had the Clarity one. I like the Forest one, actually. I actually really like it a lot. I haven't tried that one yet, but their shampoo has always been, the best. I haven't had really any issues with it. This is Revelation tire shine and dressing. This stuff works great. This is the only thing I would say that I have Yeah, weird. Like, I like Meguiar's Insane Tire Shine better. It seems to stick thicker and go out. This is good, but it tends to run. Now, using it as like another shiner dressing, I like their Shadow product better, but it can work on interior and other things, engine bay, stuff like that. But for tires, it doesn't last that long. It doesn't seem to stick as well. That's the one thing I'll say I complain about. You got the Rapid Seal spray sealant. This basically you use, if you want to quick clean your car. They do have another one that's supposed to be better, but this also would be for clay barring. Good stuff. Again, I like that. I've had no issues with that. That's been good. Absolute. This is an all-purpose cleaner, guys. This is another one I would give my stamp of approval for. This, I've never had something clean my interior, and some of the dirtiest interiors I've cleaned for people. This shit has got, it's like oven cleaner. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it better. It's like oven cleaner that smells good. Like, it cuts through the grease, the dirt, the shit all over your car. Interior, it gets stuff cleaner than I've ever been able to get stuff clean. I would absolutely recommend that. If there's 4 things in this box that I could say that you should start with and try, is revive and delete for your car. I would wash your car, wax it, or buff it and wax it, or not wax it, but buff it and cut it with the delete. And you can see videos and stuff on how more to do that properly. And then I'd wax it and polish it with the revive, and finish it up, and you would be happy with just those results. Trust me. Your interior, absolute. Your engine bay, different thing. Even on some of the parts of the plastic of the body. And Crimson Wheel Cleaner. Even if you have OEM wheels, you'd be surprised how well that can clean stuff. Now, I have not tried this at all. It's a water wash, cleanse water wash. I have not tried this yet, so I'll let you know how I like this. Or it's a waterless wash. Sorry, said that wrong. Waterless wash. So I'll let you guys know what I think about this. So basically, like a quick detail. So probably similar to the Rapid Seal, but maybe better coating or better protection. I don't know. But I will let you guys know on that. But this, guys, all of this. And mind you, this was a big sale too, so I got all of this. It'll be in the cover photo for, I think, $90 shipped to my door. And he's running deals all the time. And when he does deals, like I said, he does deals big. So there is a lot of stuff that you guys can go check out, and probably would be overwhelmed with the amount of stuff he has. But he has good descriptions of everything, and everything he has available for you guys. So yeah, go check it out. I highly recommend Sudzbox. I have not went without it the past 5 years, so I always jump on these deals, and when he's got them, I try to stock up. Do the best way you think. Start off small. He's got, like starter kits and small stuff for like $50 or less or something like that, and you get a pretty good amount. So I'd check him out. It's your one-stop shop for everything, I feel. Even some of you detail guys and stuff out there, I know you're usually stuck on your product, and I understand. But I'd give them a try. And see what you think. I'm not saying there isn't other good stuff out there, and I like, but for the bang for your buck, the customer service, the amount you get, and the quality, and the time and effort that's put into it, I think it's the best all around, the best whole package. So, all right, guys, that's it. And let me know if you like this new camera angle or anything different, or what you're thinking of, or got any suggestions, all right? I'm going to get back upstairs because it's freezing in here.